reception. Welcome to our speed sound lesson for the sound X. Are you ready? X. That's what we're working on. Ready? X, X, X. 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 X, X, X. X, X, X. Exercise. X, X, X. Experiment. X, X, X. Explosion. That's like a big bang, an explosion. Exercise. X, X. Exercise. Experiment. X, X. Experiment. Big bang. Explosion. X, X. Explosion. Exercise. Experiment. Explosion. Bang. Ready? Experiment. Exercise. Explosion. Fantastic. The same. X, 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 X. Down the arm and leg and repeat the other side. Down the arm and leg and repeat the other side. X, X. Exercise. X. Exercise. X. Exercise. X. 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 Exercise. Exercise. X. X. Well done. Now we're going to move on to do our super sound spotting. Remember, when you're spotting your sound, we're looking for X. Exercise. Ready? You're so good at this. Ready? Jump. Whoa. Duh. That was quite quick, wasn't it? X. Exercise. Are you ready? I want to see some more super sound spotting. Ready? N. I. A. Z. A. Oh, did that yesterday. Shh. X. I heard you shout. Exercise. Are you ready? Go again. Ready? B. P. O. K. Ch. O. Y. E. X. Exercise. Super sound spotting. This is our last go, okay? K. T. G. X. Exercise. Fantastic. Super sound spotting. Time to sharpen your pencil finger. Are you ready? We're going to write in the air. Get that finger ready. So, down the arm and the leg and repeat the other side. Down the arm and the leg and repeat the other side. Down the arm and the leg and repeat the other side. Down the arm and the leg and repeat the other side. Down the arm and the leg and repeat the other side. Down the arm and the leg and repeat the other side. On the table, down the arm and the leg and repeat the other side. One more. Down the arm and the leg and repeat the other side. Now, get your pen. Are you ready? Oh, wait. Got your pen? Okay. Down the arm and the leg and repeat the other side. Down the arm and the leg and repeat the other side. Down the arm and the leg and repeat the other side. Down the arm and the leg and repeat the other side. Down the arm and the leg and repeat the other side. Down the arm and the leg and repeat the other side. Looks like lots of kisses, doesn't it? Down the arm and the leg and repeat the other side. Fantastic. Now we are going to do our speed writing. Are you ready? Make sure you've got your pen, and remember you're going to try and do it from memory. Ready? First word we're going to write is box. Boot. Orange. X, as in exercise. Ox. Box. Ox. Box. Off you go. 3 sounds, 3 letters. Press pause if you want to. Our next sound is fox. Ox. Fox. Ox. Fox. Flower. Orange. Exercise. Ox. Fox. 3 sounds, 3 letters. Off you go. Once again, press pause if you want to. And last but not least, chip. So we've got special friends. Choo. Do you remember the caterpillar's hairs? Get up the horse's nose and he goes choo. So you've got your caterpillar with your horse. Ch. Insect. Pirate. Chip. 3 sounds, 4 letters to write. Chip. Off you go. Have a good try. And then we'll go through it together. You nearly ready? Okay. Here we go. So, our first word. Box. Box. So remember, we go down the laces to the heel, back up around the toe. All around the orange. Remember, in the direction of a curly K. So all around the orange. X. So remember how it goes. Down the arm and the leg and repeat the other side. B-ox, box, b-ox, box. Fantastic. Our next word is fox, fox. So we're going to go down the stem, all the way down, and draw the leaves. All around the orange, remember in the direction of a curly K. Ox. Down the arm and leg, and repeat the other side. Ox, fox, ox, fox. Brilliant. And our last one I asked you to write was ch-ip, chip, and that's our special friend Ch. Here he is. Yeah, and remember, the horse sneezes because the caterpillar's hairs get up his nose and he goes ch-ch-choo. That's right. So that's the start of our word ch-ip, chip. So we curl around the caterpillar, we go from his head to his hooves and over his back. Insect. So down the insect's body, a dot for his head, and pirate, pirate. So down his plat, back up, oops, a bit wobbly, back up, and round the pirate's face. Chip, chip. Really, really well done. I'm very proud of you, especially if you remembered your ch. It's quite tricky. Now we're going to do some Fred talk to finish. Are you ready? Oh, okay. Fox, fox, fox. We just wrote that. Oh, he's a bit scared of foxes. Fox. He's a little bit scared of them though. Oh, okay. Zoo, zoo, zoo. Well done. Okay. Thick, thick, thick. Thick. When something is thick rather than thin. Oh, and last but not least, okay. B-ox, 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 box, box, a box. Brilliant. Have a really lovely day. See you later. Thanks for joining us.